Hey guys, in this video I wanted to talk about this wireless walkie-talkie I recently purchased. The reason I'm doing this video is because I've been using it for over a month and it's really nice. It's the brand name is called Topsung, so it's like Topsung, and there's kids walkie talkies that's like fun to play with. But if you are planning to host some events or like planning something where you are far away and like you need some walkie talkie, this would be a great buy. This has three walkie talkies, but I've been only using two, so you would see that I have two of them active, and it's pretty good in range. like uh, I've been using it around like 10 meters to 15 meters, like that's like 30 to 50 feet, and it's pretty good in its range. I could hear well and it connects really fast. And It has pretty cool features, easy to carry, and basically I kind of wear it around my neck, so I have this tags. But otherwise also I think this one hooks on the belt. I am not used the microphone feature. I just wanted to like speak over the phone because I'm in like kind of a place where there is some construction going on, so it's kind of requires kind of not wearing the headset. But it does work great. So you can see that so let me show. It's pretty easy to configure. Let's say this is configured currently on 6F, right? And then if I do call, it doesn't call anything, but it's trying to see it's going to call anybody in 6F, but there is nobody there because this is on 5F channel. If I go back and set it to 5F, and if I do call, you can see it's ringing on this one. And then I can just press the button and talk, or here I can just say, let's put it far away, and here check mic testing 1 2 3. Hello, can you hear me over? Yes, I can hear you over. And best part is it works close range, far range. It has cool features like adjusting the volume, adjusting the speaker ringer like to maximum and minimum. And the best part I really like about this is the charging. So I think right now it has three charging ports which can be charged simultaneously, and I really don't need to worry about charging each one of them on its like the base charging. They don't have the base charging provided, but if you have something that you use, you can kind of use that. But otherwise you can kind of plug all three of it. It takes like 2 hours to kind of charge it completely. It kind of lasts like very long for me. Like I don't even remember when I last charged, so the battery life is pretty good. I think they have like a 1800 milliamp battery. So as I said, I'm only using two, so I don't have one of it plugged in. So it's a 1800 milliamp battery, so it comes for me for more than a week. Very easy to use, and if I don't need this, I can disconnect the tag thing easily as well. So and then I can kind of move forward. But main thing I really like about this is like uh, battery life, durability, range. Those are the three main things, and quality. So in terms of the voice quality, and then the range and the durability of like this thing, right? Because I kind of have used it a little bit roughly, but it has been working quite well for me. So if you guys are thinking of buying something like that in the market, I would recommend you try this and give it a shot. Thanks.